Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. You can notice that I have stopped posting videos from about an year, and I'm sorry that I could not make it because of my unexpected health issues. Going forward, I'll try to post videos regularly. Today, I'm going to start my comeback video with a healthy and yummy recipe made out of millets. There are various types of millets like pearl millets, foxtail millets, kodo millets. You can use according to your choice. We can cook this dish with your choice of millets. Friends, we should soak millets for at least 6 to 8 hours, preferably overnight to make it cook faster and smoother. We can save this water for cooking as it contains lot of nutrients from millets and lentils. Or even if you prefer using fresh water, that is also fine. Friends, millets is very good alternative for rice and is most recommended for diabetic patients. But it's always a question about how to cook this, as most of the dishes made out of this millets are plain and not that appealing. But this khichdi is made of vegetables and millets, a combination which is very healthy and tasty at the same time. Friends, as you can see, this khichdi is very soft and melting, and it is also very easy even for kids to eat without any trouble. We can include this recipe as a part of our weight loss diet as this provides much needed protein and fiber for our body. You can add water for your desired consistency, as some people might like thicker khichdi and some might like thinner. We prefer thinner consistency, which is suitable for our lunch boxes. For me, ghee is always a best option when compared to other fats because ghee provides healthy fat which is quite essential for our digestive system. Friends, always try to chop curry leaves little smaller. I'm sure our kids will never hesitate to eat. Friends, I hope you'll try this recipe and I'm sure you would enjoy the health benefits along with its delicious taste. Do you know we can use millets to make softer idlis and crisper dosas? I have been doing this for more than 7 years and it is a part of our weekly breakfast routine. I'll definitely make a video and post it in our channel soon. If you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World. Thank you. Bye.